Hello, it says go. Here we go. Wonderful class. Okay, Chris, you're part of my class. I'm sorry. This is the way it goes. And we just click on Kaltura. A little delay there. Takes its sweet by time. Add media. And then it's going to say add new. Kaltura Express. And then I've got that going as well. A nice red dot. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to pretend we're recording all this good stuff, and Chris, you have no questions because this is a video. This is not a interactive device. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to say use this. It's going to compile that bad boy, and I'm going to give it a name. Good old test number 9. Why? Because I've been doing this a million times. Oh, and I can't get down to there. I have to do it that way. I'm going to say save. And it's going to save test 9, and it should, in the bottom, say it's been saved. Okay. I'm going to go to medias, go to media, and there it is, test 9. Fine, great. Now I'm going to go over to discussion board. And under discussion board, I have a nice little section here where I'm going to say create thread, and I'm going to go test 9, outside 9, and I'm going to mashups. Oh, but this is not a, oh yeah, it is a Kaltura. Is it a Kaltura media? Good question. Here's test 9, select. Okay, so I just went through the whole sequence. Now I'm going to go up to screen recorder.